Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih ke Sarkar Jela rakam Sahsniang-A hak khalai terik unopra arajar arpulai ulawan penhak perda ke Jinglehkmen Silver Jubille ni ke jingdap arpu Sansnem ke Jinglehkmen ke Kymprup Higher Secondary School Sahsniang-A nado bala sengnya ka hak arpu hundreu terik urempang kat kendai spa kendai pupra nalor menteri urakam Sahsniang-A ubalalong kum kongsan hak ni ke sengi lai don langru ki MDC jong ke GHADC ki Kymprup ya UMDC jong ke sok mentin ulakhon dakhar ko musumbut kongsan WG sungo bat habahun dakhar haba pai kendiat halor ke jingya denti bat ke history jong ke school laong ba shwa ka snem khat khandai spa khandai pupra la don tang ko ke school ha ka snong Sahsniang-A ke badai ke government lower primary school ka ba ajing hikai hadu class 4 ki kena school ki ai pas manla usnam na kena school tang babun na ki kimla ban peteng shu i ki jingpuli namar ba Kymprup bor ban lech ki weipat ki snong ni shasor kinong ilam jong ka dorbar snong ki yo i ka jinge jong ki khon ka snong bat ki sngoto bha ba ka por kala dawa ba ki khon jong ka snong bat ki paramarjan jong ka snong kila dei ban yo ya ka jinghikai ha ki kelas ki bakham shalor Hakabas dang labu shwa tangnya ke kelas 5 bat la don henreungut ki kena bala kinteu pat ya ki kelas man la usnam hadu ke kelas 7 ha usnam arhajar kat banang ya ki por ki kena jong ni ke school kilanang bun kumta ha usnam arhajar pra ke dorbar snong haringkat ke jinge trelang bat ke SMC kila yo ban kinteu kerdan ke apa primary sha ke secondary school bat ha usnam arhajar khat khandai pat lakin teo kerdan syaka higher secondary school ya kabala tip kum ke Kymprup higher secondary school Sahsniang-A kum bakalong menta ka jingdon jong ki kena ha ka upper primary section ki long shispa sa pongun ha ka secondary section shispa prangut bada ka higher secondary ki don arpu prangut kat bagi nong hikai ki long khat saungut but uwei unon teaching staff Haga sengi Pynkut jong ke jing rakhi ye ke jing dap arpu Sansniang jong ke school la pelai pai baru ye ke souvenir bat mumau saknam jong ke jing yai lenti ke ba arpu Sansniang ya ke bala pelai pai ba da menteri jong ke sarkar jela la penpuk penpeng ye ke sengi de ke jing ruai ke jing shat ki bale shim benta da ki kena jong ke school
I've been told with the minimum salary the teachers has worked for you. And your forefather, your leaders has contributed, has worked for you. And because of their contribution, because of their commitment, because of the leaders of the past, we are here today and this school has reached up to this standard. However, I'm to understand that there are many challenges and I understand the challenges, the pains felt by the management, by the teaching community, by the students, by the parents, I understand. And therefore, in the days to come, as your memorandum has already submitted, government will definitely examine. Of course, in the memorandum, you have requested for the grant of ad hoc grant for this beautiful RMSA school. But I will direct my officer to do the necessary things because in the last 10 to 15 years, none of the school in Meghalaya has been granted ad hoc grant to any schools and institutions in the state. But however, after the introduction of the new education policy, from this academic session, from this financial year, we are planning to give some ad hoc grant to some many schools based on the criteria, based on the performance, based on the necessity of the location and of the institutions. Therefore, for all this exercise, I would like to request our headmaster, the principal, and all the teaching staff just to do the necessary due process and to meet the criteria as laid down by the government of Meghalaya. And due course of time, we will examine your demands and government. And I can assure you that government will positively look into the demands have been met by you. As we congratulate you for the milestone journey in last 25 years, I am sorry to say today, because I am not able to speak neither in Khasi nor in Zaintia, and you also don't know Garu. This is the boundary that we have set from one another. Therefore, the new education policy has drawn the line for us that we should learn more on local language. We should develop more language. Therefore, I want to request each one of you, beginning from me, we should try to learn more language from others' tribes too. Because learning language, it's a blessing for us. My young students, my young friends, it is time for us to learn a multi-dimensional, multidisciplinary course. We should be ready for any kind of challenges. My dear students, as a class 10 students, as a class 12 students, as a class 11 students, you must really ready to face challenges today. This is a time of technology, science and technology. We should be ready to face any challenge. And this time, I want to inform you again, the government of Meghalaya from this year has adopted for adaptation. That means from class 1 onwards, English, Maths, Science, we will use NCERT textbook, but with certain adaptation of the local contents. And next whole year, we will develop our own textbook with our more local content, and which will be the best among the best in the country. Therefore, why we have adopted this? Because most of the competitive examination, be it UPSC, be it IPS, IAS, GMAT, GE, and all the CUT examinations, all national level entrance examination are conducted based on the NCERT textbook, syllabus and curriculum. Therefore, to meet the challenges, we have decided to use the same curriculum, the same textbook with the rest of the country. Therefore, today, if we don't use the same textbook, there is always our students don't perform well in CUT, JE, GMAT, UPSC, all this examination. Therefore, knowing all the challenges, we have decided to adopt for adaptation of the NCERT textbook. Therefore, in all the government of under the government of Meghalaya, in all the institutions, be it private, be it a government, be it government aided, those affiliated to Meghalaya Board of School Education, have to use the book recommended by Meghalaya Board of School Education, and also to implement the same. Therefore, today, on this very auspicious occasion, I want to congratulate the management, the principal for this very glorious journey of 25 years. Thank you.